I hear the church bell ringing, so that means everybody coming their way. When the church bell ring, that means for everybody to come their way. When the church bells are ringing, when the church bells are ringing, that means for everybody come their way. So when the church bells are ringing, come that way. When the church bell ringing, that mean won't you come that way. When the church bell ringing, when the church bell ring, when the church bell ringing, that means for everybody in the body to come that way. When the church bell ringing, when the church bells are ringing, and that means for everybody in the body to come their way, to come their way. When the church bells are ringing, and everybody gonna enjoy the service, cause you know it's that time of the year, in the year. We about to start off something good and leave the past in the past. We about to start this new revolution. But when the church bells ringing, that means everybody in the body come their way. So when the church bells are ringing, when the church bells are ringing, that means everybody in the body come their way, come their way. When the church bell ring.